guys, it's Mr. Funny Man here with a new Lego gun, which I call it the ik-72, which is supposed to be an alien submachine gun, and it's based off my Mach 11, which the grip is the same. The mechanism's a little changed, and the body's substantially changed. And the key parts of the alien is where the mag goes. You flip down this bar, and then the mag goes right on top. And then you flip up the bar, and then it stays unless it's like horizontal or upside down. And to load it, it's the same as my Mach 11, which I'm just going to show you a little bit more in detail of my mechanism since I didn't last time. As you see, there's 3 gears, which this ratio is 2 to 1. So every time this spins twice, and then this gear only spins once. So I can hold more rubber bands. And then it's a lot like a Lego gun, guys. 001s, and to load it, it's the same as my Mach 11. And it's pretty much the whole mechanism is based off my Mach 11. And just put it on the beige peg, all the way down, or not. Sorry, I'm not used to doing this one hand. So if I have a couple fail attempts, spin that back. All the way back on the gear, and mag on, flip up the bar, and you're ready to shoot. Then the iron sights is the top of the mag, which I might put something on that, and then shoot is 1, 2, and the mag fell off. And also another part that I really like is a secret weapon, which is a secret knife. So either when you run out of ammo, you can just knife so that you can keep on staying alive. And also to have the pistol and knife combo, which that was the main point I wanted. And also kind of gives a little bit of a detail, sorta. And this is Mr. Funny Man with the ik-72 alien submachine gun. Bye, guys.